Ah, the tea trick. Follow along to learn how to darken wood naturally, food safe tips, and other secrets. Okay, to get a natural patina, I'm using the mystery oil. There's a little bit left in this bottle. And I've got one of my favorites here, black tea. Oh yeah. The chefs drink a lot of tea, consume gallons a day. It's good for you. So I removed the tag from the tea, put that tea in a little ramekin vessel like this, and I'm going to add some boiling water now. Here we go. Just putting a little bit of boiling water. About 10 minutes later, I'm going to remove this tea bag. Of course, we'll use it. Make some iced tea out of there. Got this beautiful looking thick tea. I'm going to add that into my oil. Here we go. Quite simple, actually. Open the lid to this oil. Pour a little bit of this tea right in. There we go. Now the oil's a little bit darker in color. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Okay, here we go. The maple block, the maple cutting board with the beautiful patina, the board cream, the mystery oil, and the mystery oil with a little tea inside. You can see the color difference right there. All right, chef likes to recycle. Plastic bag. I highly suggest you recycle. This will go right back into my recycle bin and be melted down to make more bags and plastic out of. Here we go, just a few drops like this, little swirl motion. You can see the color in there as well. And just rub it in a circular motion. And I like to do the sides. And on this little sample, of course, we can do the bottom as well. Yeah. It's going to soak right in. Oh yeah. Nice. You can see the color's already transforming a little bit. When I finish, I like to go with the wood grain. Nice even strokes. Okay. Let that rest and come back and check on it in 24 hours. It's going to be beautiful and it's getting slightly darker. Here we go. I like to recycle black plastic, white plastic, grocery store bag, you name it. Goes back in your recycle bin. Swirling motion of the tea infused oil and rub it in. Wow, look at the color and the grain pop to life. Looks really, really good. I'm going to give it another coat. I'll be back to show you. Wow. All right, and here we go. This is after 2 coats. It's looking really, really good, like new. And don't forget, check out your sponsor. That's where you can score the mystery oil, made in America. I like it. And the board cream, made in America. I like it. NSF certified, food safe, the ideal product for wood countertops, cutting boards, islands, wood culinary utensils, as well as all butcher block and related items. Most importantly, use it regularly. I like to use them once a month. Thanks for watching. Get cooking, smash that like button, subscribe right there, and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Caesar salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. It's going to be good. Good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax.